Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really helps the channel out. Allows me to make these videos. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. You guys are the reason I'm able to do these. If you hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, you get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure notifications are allowed. Otherwise, you won't get the notification. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me a comment below. This is going to be a different type of video. I am going to come straight out and say I have never used this product before. Never had one. Never even tried one. What I have here, I have a WEN model number 3922 16-inch scroll saw. It's got variable speed. And I also purchased the foot pedal. I figured with the foot pedal, to turn it off, I wouldn't have to take my hands off the wood, be able to just use my foot. So I decided to purchase this on Prime Day because I've been doing some curved cutting and such, and I have a Ryobi bandsaw, and I've been making these. They're called bandsaw boxes. The only problem is the bandsaw, it's really tough, and I don't know whether you could tell really that well. My curves aren't that good. The blade's really tough. With the Ryobi bandsaw, it binds up when you try making sharp curves of any type, with any type of wood. So I've been watching a lot of videos on the scroll saw. A lot of different things that I think I can do with this other than, I mean, I don't think I'm going to be able to do these. I think these are too thick. There's a lot of different things that I could use this for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the box and get it out of the box. I'm not going to show you the unboxing because there's probably a million unboxings of these, so you can look it up. If I see a link of one, I'll put it in the description below. But like I said, what I'm going to do is open this up and we'll take a look and see what it can do. Okay, so I'll go over what I know so far. What we have here is we have a dust port, hook up right to my shop vac. We got the power on and off, and we got the variable speed right here. Everything's right there. So that should be fairly easy. What I also got, as I showed you, is I have the foot pedal, and I was trying to figure out how it gets wired, and I didn't look at the plug. There you go. The power cord of the scroll saw plugs in like so. Plugs in like so. So this is, it'll just stop it for a second when I press down on it. But it'll be enough for me to adjust the wood and reach down and shut the power off. So that's actually really good. The foot pedal cost me about, I think it was 10 bucks on Prime Day. Okay, up on top here we got a steel plate. This is a guard. Basically, you raise and lower it. It's mainly for new people like me. What it does is it prevents the wood from bouncing up and down. This is to take the blade off and put the blade back on. There's another one underneath, and you remove this plate cover here. One of the things that messed me up at first is this is an air hose here. It wasn't connected when you open it up, so make sure that you connect it. And what it does is it blows down here, so it blows the sawdust off where you're cutting, which is, I found with the bandsaw, that would be very helpful on the bandsaw. This is tension. You lift it up and it lowers this so that you can change the blade, bring it back down, spin it clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. That's pretty much the whole saw, the whole scroll saw. It's incredibly easy, simple to put together. Came together, like I said, I'm surprised how easy this was to set up. So what I'm going to do is let me get a piece of scrap wood and we're going to try it out here. Let's see how it works. Alright, so I got it plugged in. Let's turn it on. Okay, power's on. Step on this. Okay, that's actually, the foot pedal's actually better than I thought. Okay, as you can see, foot pedal on the floor. When I step on it, the saw works. When I take my foot off, the saw stops. I like that. Let's see how fast this will go. Actually moves pretty good. I can slow it down a lot. Very good. Okay, I gotta straighten this out. Ah, that's actually, what's crooked? Oh, this was. Okay. All right, so it's lined up perfectly. So let me get a piece of scrap wood here. Okay, set this roughly 1/4 inch board. Let's see how it cuts. I see it lifting up. I'll take our foot off, slow that down to hold the board. We'll speed this up a little bit. Not bad. Not bad at all. It was going to take a lot of practice for me to do anything, but I think this is going to work really good. Okay, so that's basically the WEN 3922 scroll saw 16 inch. I think I'm going to be able to do some good things with this. I think it'll be a little easier to use than the scroll saw. I got to learn how to change the blade. I thought that they would just pop off, but it doesn't look that, so I have to double check. Other than that, I stopped playing with it, and once I produce something, I'll put up a video on how I made something, or whatever it is I make. I'm not sure what I'm going to make first. It's probably going to be something simple, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said at the beginning, if you're new to the channel, thanks for coming in. Please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Just make sure you hit that bell icon. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video like this one. Using a mobile device, just make sure notifications are allowed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment below. Let me know of anything that I didn't do right, that I did right, or anything that you know about this saw that I may not. Like I said, I've never used a scroll saw before. This is going to be the first time I've ever done it, so it's going to be a learning process. Easy for me to say. So let me get some work done on it, and we'll see what I can make.